Hey guys, what is up? So today is Tuesday, October the 2nd, and I'm trying to decide if I want today to be really productive and then kind of relax tomorrow, or if I want to relax today and be productive tomorrow, or be really productive both days. And it's looking like I'm going to be productive both days. So I'm just going to have some lunch before I delve into some more work and planning, and I wanted to share with you guys what I'm having for lunch today. So I'm going to try the Jackfruit Company barbecue, and it looks, pretty much like barbecue. So I'm gonna put it in this little bowl, heat it up in the microwave for a couple minutes, and then I think I'm gonna put a slice of cheese on it, and then maybe, not grits, put some spinach on it because I don't have any lettuce left. Really excited about that, so let's see. Okay, look at this beauty. So I put spinach, I put a couple jalapenos on there, I put my cheese and melted it, and then I have sun chips again. I'm gonna finish off this first thing of water, and then I need to fill it up and have a second. And yeah, hopefully this is gonna be good. I'll let you guys know. Well, unfortunately, that was not very good at all. I did not even finish it. I don't know why. It was something about, like, it wasn't tough to chew, but it was something. The texture just was not it for me. That's okay. So I forgot to mention also, I'm expecting a package, and I so thought it was going to be in the mail, and when I opened the mailbox there was a package, and I was like, yes! And it was not that package, but I'm still hoping that it will come today, and I can't wait to show you guys that one. So I'm thinking right now it's 3:15, and I will sit outside with Suki for just a little while. It's really nice looking outside today, but I think it's a little hot. I'm gonna go over my calendar and kind of see if I have anything I need to be taken care of or something I've forgotten about, and then I'm going to start editing and see what I can get accomplished. So, okay, I've been working like crazy. I finished 2 videos and they're uploading right now. One's actually rendering and the second one is uploading. So I need to just sit now and kind of make a plan for the next few days. I think I'm gonna try to film 2 videos tomorrow. I just looked at my planner and did not realize I was like supposed to cook a lot of stuff today. And I mean, I still am going to, but I have these this recipe for Parmesan chicken sliders, so they're like sandwiches for Dustin, that I'm going to make tonight. I've never made them before, but they seem pretty easy, but I have to cook chicken for them. And if you guys have been a follower of mine for any amount of time, especially on Instagram, you know I can't cook chicken. I don't know why. I'm just bad at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook up some Mexican kind of food. He's actually going to go by the grocery store on his way home and pick up just a couple things I need. I'm really excited about this. Tonight I'm making a creamy 1-pot garlic pasta, and it's vegan, so I'm just gonna have the pasta, and I might have some garlic bread. I'm pretty sure the one I already have is not vegan, but again, I'm trying not to be wasteful about what we have. And then for Dustin, I'm going to get one of the chicken breast and cook that up. So I'll have chicken and pasta, and I think that'll be really, really yummy. If I have 1 video to go live tomorrow, and I film 2 tomorrow and get them edited 3 days ahead, so that's nice. And that's if I'm uploading them like back to back to back, which I may not do. I don't know if you guys are liking that. I'm really trying to establish like my voice here on YouTube, and that's why I'm uploading a ton right now, and just because I'm having fun doing it. But if you guys are like, geez girl, stop uploading, we're sick of your face, tell me so that I know to back off a little. I gotta go cook chicken. I really don't wanna. Guys, my arms are so sore from that massage. Oh my gosh, they hurt. Okay, it is lively in here. I already made our Dustin's taco chicken. I'm about to make the chicken for tonight. So right now I'm making the chicken Parmesan sliders. I'm waiting for Dustin to bring me my couple ingredients to start dinner tonight. This is really easy. It's basically the same thing as the ham and cheese sliders. Cut them in half, put them here, except I have to cook these first, which might take a minute, but then I'm gonna put those on here, top it with marinara and some cheese, and then put butter and Parmesan on the top of these and then bake them. So that should be easy and quick. I'm hoping that our pasta tonight turns out good and not disastrous. The next time I think I'm gonna cook 3 meals at a time. Tell me no. Just someone who cares about me say not a good idea. It's a mess in here, but our Alfredo for tonight is looking so yummy. I'm hoping it's gonna thicken up really nicely. I have Dustin's sandwiches cooking. Here's our chicken. And then I actually was left over with 2 little chicken patties, and then again his chicken. Chicken for tacos. So, whew, Whew, it's crazy in here, but I'm gonna start cleaning while I'm waiting on the sandwiches to come out, and also for this fettuccine. All you have to do to finish it up is let it thicken up, and then I'm gonna put some red pepper, oregano, and then my pepper over here. That should do it, so yum yum. So it's obviously morning time. It's about, I think it's 8 now. It's probably a little, actually past 8, let's see. It's 8:13. And I decided to go ahead and get up. I got plenty of sleep, so there was no reason for me to stay in the bed. I have a lot to do today. I'm trying to film at least 2 videos, edit 2 or 3 videos. Dustin's working late, so I wanted to give Suki ample time outside this morning. Update from last night, Dustin did not like the vegan pasta, mainly because it called for red pepper flakes. Pretty much I just put too much in. I think it was really hot, and he just didn't care for it. I was like, more for me, because I loved it. So I'm gonna sit outside for a little while longer. I think I'm gonna go get my devotional before I start anything, because I've been really bad about just moving past my day and not doing that. Alright, so I've been doing these videos, it's almost 10 now, forever it feels like. I still have like 4 more to go, but I'm gonna take a quick break and fix an acai bowl, I think. It's been sounding really good to me, so I'm actually just gonna use, well, let me get everything and then I'll show you. So again, my acai, I have some golden light agave sweetener, my vanilla almond milk. I'm gonna use granola on the top, and I thought I had good bananas, but I don't. So I'm going to mix in, I don't know which one of these into the bowl, and then the other one I'm gonna use to top it along with my granola. Here's this beauty. I cannot wait to eat this. I'm absolutely starving. Hey guys, I have overextended myself. Listen, I was trying to get so much done today, and I did get a lot done today. I am 1 video shy of filming everything I wanted to film today, which that one was kind of like about filming today anyway, so I still consider that kind of a win. But I just kind of realized maybe I'm trying to do too much. It's 5:52 right now. At 7 o'clock, Suki's going to eat. I can't say the D-I-N-N-E-R word because she will freak out. So I'm going to try to keep her awake for another hour. And I know that sounds funny, like she's a dog, but I'll try to keep her outside or doing something so that after she eats, she can go to her crate and take a nap, which she's been fighting for an hour. But anyways, I got in like this, I was really angry for a minute, and I realized that now when I get that way, I'm one of 2 emotions, and more or less these days I'm the one, and that's, I get overwhelmed, and then either I stay overwhelmed, I quit, I don't do it. Like, I'll have 50 things planned for that day, but the second I get overwhelmed, I'm like, I'm not doing this, I don't need to be overwhelmed, I'll just start again tomorrow. In very rare cases, I think that's helpful to just say, okay, I need to step away from this today. But the second way that I most often get is almost like mad at myself for being overwhelmed, which isn't the best thing, but then it immediately puts me in like drive mode where I'm going to get everything done. So I did get a lot done. I still have to edit, and that's what was going to be my point, but I don't think I said it, was from now until her time to eat, I think I'm going to try to see what I can get done. Hopefully that'll be 2 videos edited, and then I'll have maybe 1 more to edit tomorrow, and then 1 or 2 to film tomorrow. So it's been a busy day. I need to look at my calendar and kind of reevaluate everything. I need to go get the mail. And yes, so it's been an okay day. Not a great day, but an okay day. Good morning. So today is Friday, October the 5th. I have done nothing of work since like 4 o'clock yesterday. I don't know what happened yesterday. I do know what happened, but I was a little tired and I just felt like I needed a nap. And so I thought I was gonna take a nap. I laid down. This never happens to me. I'm such a good napper, except I like to nap for like at least 3.5 hours. Dustin likes to nap, if he even naps, which he doesn't like to do very much, for like 15 or 20 minutes. I'll just take advice from my husband, kind of. Set a timer for 20 minutes and wake up, recharged, ready to do the day. So I did lay down for 20 minutes on the sofa, but literally I was so sensitive to every single noise that happened the whole day. Like Suki was taking a nap in her crate at the same time as well, and she would go, you know that really big huff that dogs do? Every time she did it, I would be like, and wake up. Long story short, I woke up and felt so much worse because I didn't like wake up. It was that weird like dreamy part of almost being asleep, but you weren't asleep. Didn't work out very well. Yesterday I didn't vlog anything because I did not do anything. Like that was the longest part of my day, just being like, oh, I don't feel good. Do I go to sleep? Do I stay awake? What do I do? What do I need to do? Then towards the end of the day, I woke up, did my nails. Don't know. I put really long nails on, which I never have nails this long. I kind of dig them. I haven't had nails this long in a really long time, so we'll see. I felt awful when I went to sleep last night because I was like, I didn't accomplish anything. And this morning, it's noon and I haven't done much either. So tomorrow, I'm filming the first of our like surprise dates. So as you guys know, I'm pretty sure I've said this, Dustin is leaving for like most of the month and a bit of November to do a work trip, and he does it every year and I hate it every year. I have planned dates for us every single weekend from now until he leaves. Tomorrow is the first of our surprise dates, so he knows nothing about it. The only hints I've given him is it's a little bit of walking and there are food trucks. I'm gonna film that for you guys and I hope that's exciting. I wish I could go ahead and tell you guys now, but I'm afraid he'll watch it and figure it out. So right now I'm gonna edit for a little bit, I think. I have a staff meeting tonight at 6, so I'm trying to get something done before then. I'll need to do my makeup and get kind of put together. I won't need to, but I kind of want to. Also, lastly, for this little update that is 5 minutes long, my package from United Monograms is supposed to come today, and I'm so excited I can hardly stand it. My first package, I ordered 2 shirts. So one will come later in life, but I made myself a little birthday list today too, which is really funny, but I want a couple things and I want to see if I can get them. If you guys have not already seen this, Too Faced came out with a pumpkin spice palette that the Home Shopping Network is selling, and it comes with mascara and lip gloss. I don't think it's lipstick. Brush, and I want it so bad. I'm literally going to find out a way to get that because Too Faced is like my favorite brand. You guys know that. Most of my palettes are Too Faced. Okay, I gotta get some stuff done, but beforehand I have to eat because I have not eaten today and it's noon. Whoops. All right, back from my staff meeting. I talked a lot during it, so I feel like I kept everybody kind of late. I was feeling really bad by the end of it, but sometimes I get talking on stuff and I just can't stop. My shirt came! I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna sleep in it. I got it in a medium and I probably should have gotten it in a small, but I always prefer a medium pretty much. But now that I'm losing a little bit of weight, I'm trying to get stuff at smalls instead of medium. My next shirt that's gonna come from United Monograms is a small, so it'll be interesting to see the size comparison between the two. Speaking of pumpkin pie, my amazing mother-in-law during my staff meeting, well, before it started, brought me those protein bars that I was telling you guys about. I think they're called the Perfect Bar. The pumpkin pie flavor. Oh my gosh, it literally tastes just like pumpkin pie. It's so good. If you guys have seen it somewhere, go see if they have the pumpkin pie one because apparently they're like super limited. I've been really anxious all day today. I'm finally coming off of it a little bit, but I've been like shaky and just like, I don't know what's been wrong. But anyways, I want to get a lot done this evening, but I'm kind of thinking I'll just try to edit this vlog together and maybe pick up the house some, and then that's it. Also, I've gotten tons of requests, like tons today, for a nail tutorial. I'm happy to show you guys. I've been doing these and they've been lasting a pretty good while. The red ones that I had on, I only took off when I took them off because one literally came off. I did those a lot thinner than what I did the first ones. One came off and then I was like, okay, I'm just taking them all off rather than putting one nail on. I'm happy to show you guys a tutorial. It's so easy and I am not perfect at it, but it definitely saves me like $50 or more than going to the salon and getting them done. Really kind of therapeutic for me. I have never been super into my nails, which is weird that now like that's my thing, but I love to spend a lot of time doing them. So I'm sleepy. Tomorrow we're gonna go on our date and I'm gonna vlog the whole thing starting first thing in the morning. So I'm gonna start a new vlog tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this one out. Sorry if it's either really long and boring, really short and boring, just boring in general. I feel like this has been, since I've started videos again, kind of the most pointless one. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be really exciting. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss that. Anyways, I hope that you guys did enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching and all of your love and support. I love all of you guys, and the comments you've been leaving have been like almost making me cry. They're so nice and sweet and I really appreciate it. So thanks for spending your time with me and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.